Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learn about the modifiers in C++. Specifiers modify the meanings of the predefined built-in data types and expand them to a much larger set. There are four data types modifier in C++. These are long, short, signed, and unsigned. Long and short modifier the maximum and the minimum value that a data type will hold. A plain int must have a minimum size of short. Size hierarchy is short integer and long integer. Size hierarchy for floating point numbers is float, double and long double. Now we see what is long float. So long float is not a legal type and there are not short floating point numbers. Signed types includes both positive and negative numbers and is the default type. And unsigned is a number are always without any sign, that is always positive. Now we see the example of this modifier types, and here I just write hash include iostream, then using name space it's space std. Now here I just write integer min. So this program is to showing difference between the signed and unsigned integers. Short as a keyword and integer which is I, and variable here is I. So I is a signed short integer. Okay, so this is a signed short integer. Now short and unsigned, which is integer j. So this is unsigned short integer. Now I write j which is equal to 40,000 and I which is equal to j. So I just take I which is equal to j. So cout means output of this code is I, and then here I just write empty string and j, and at the last I just write return 0. So here I just execute this code. So this program, and this is the integer j and short which is and j which is equal to 5,000, and here it's unsigned. Okay, and execute this code. You can see here the result of j which is equal to 40,000 and I which is equal to j. So this result is because the bit pattern that's represent 40,000 as a short unsigned integer. So it is interpreted as minus 552364 and sorry the 40,000 by sort. So this is a unsigned sort value of this program. So we have some different types of qualifiers in C++, which is construct means object of the type of construct cannot be changed by your program during executions. Then violated means this modifier violate tells the compiler that a variable value may be changed in the way not explicitly specified by the program. And the third number is restrict. A pointer qualifies by restrict is initially the only means by which the object its point to can be accessed only C9 and adds a new types qualifier which is called restricts. So this is a simple example of the modifier types in C++. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.